Hi guys, Dr. Oley here. Just wanted to share 5 fun facts about me with you guys to help you get a little bit more information about me. So the first one is I'm actually a board certified anesthesiologist. Spent 4 years at UVA doing anesthesia residency, then subsequently stayed on and did a fellowship in interventional pain procedures. So my predominant focus is on non-surgical, minimally invasive procedures that can help restore function and improve pain with doing the least amount of intervention as possible. So utilizing X-ray and ultrasound guided injections to help get you moving and functioning better. The second one is that I'm actually born and raised in Richmond. So I'm a Richmond native. I did elementary, middle, and high school here, and it's good to be back home and set up in private practice after 13 years of being on the road away from home training. And then the third one is I actually married my high school sweetheart. We both went to Godwin together. I was on the varsity basketball team. She was the statistician. So we're both very happy to be home and right around the corner from where we grew up. The fourth one is we have 2 kids together. I have a 2-year-old daughter and a 1-year-old son. So very busy outside of work when I come home. And then the last thing, number 5, is anytime I'm not with my kids or at work, you can probably find me in the kitchen. So I spend a lot of time cooking and grilling food. So that's one of my passions.